بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صلى الله عليه وسلم. It's my pleasure to welcome all to this special gathering just before Iftar. I extend my deepest gratitude to the Mr. President, Secretary General, Vice President of newly elected partial committee, the Youth Wing of Bangladesh Nationalist Party, UK branch. It's my pleasure to welcome extended BNP family. I offer my heartfelt prayers for you all. May Allah accept our prayers, our fasting, our dedication during this blessed month of Ramadan. Sincere supplications to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala during this blessed month of Ramadan. Let us take lessons from this blessed month of Ramadan and integrating them into our daily lives and in our community, in our society, in our country. And let us remember our parents, our ancestors, acknowledging their sacrifices for us and pray for them for their good health and eternal peace for those who are passed away. May Allah give us good health and give us opportunity to take lesson from this blessed month of Ramadan. Thank you all. Long live Bangladesh. Assalamu alaikum.